Yes, good afternoon everyone. iStar iPlus 7. It's very good mobile. It's an original one, it's not a copy one. You can see, it's like an iPhone 7. Slim body, 5.5 wide screen. See the display, it's very good, very smooth. Some application installed already. You can see the camera. It's very clear, malinaw po. Hindi na po kailangan natin gumamit ng mga applications na para pagandahin tayo. Kitang-kita po natin sa linaw ng camera. Ayan po. Even the front camera, it's very clear. You can see that one. Ito po ay isang magandang mobile, mabilis. 4G network support, 2GB RAM at may 16GB internal memory po. You can expand po hanggang 32GB. May dual slim slot, micro. Ito po, quad-core 1.8 processor, mabilis po yan. Android niya 6.0 updated, latest one. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS, everything inside. Front camera, it's a 13 megapixels. No, it's a back camera, so 13. In the front is the 5 megapixel. Ayan po. Ito po ay may kasamang free. Hindi mo ting kailangan, kasamang free po to ng kumpanya. Sa silicone back case, yung manual yan dito po. At ito po ay may install na pong ready na screen protector. Kasama na po yan. At may extra screen protector free pa po. Ayan po, free yan lahat. USB cable, adapter charger, headset. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na po kayo mga kabayan. Salamat po.